Let me begin today's video with an Urdu couplet which goes on like this.
अच्छी तरह सुनिए, धमाका है ये।
कि गमों से बहरथास तो हमने खुदकुशी कर ली, शजर गिरा के परिंदों से इंतकाम लिया. A gross translation of this couplet would be, I committed suicide as I didn't like the sorrow around me. But before that, I cut all the trees as I wanted revenge on cheerful birds. Exactly such is the state of the Congress party nowadays. It is amusing to see how with great enthusiasm with which India Alliance was formed, showing bhai-bhai culture is slowly and steadily disintegrating. Kudos to the Bhasmasur syndrome of Congress that its own alliance partners believe that Congress is finished.
इस रास्ते पे कभी कांग्रेस चलती थी, कांग्रेस खत्म हो गई.
Yes, it was SP leader Akhilesh Yadav who in a podcast with journalist Shubhankar Mishra remembered and in fact spoke about an incident where not BJP but Congress had sent their journalists to ask uncomfortable questions to Akhilesh. While speaking about the incident, Akhilesh mentioned that it is such gestures by Congress that the party is already dead now.
ये बंदा कौन है? बाद में पता लगा वो कांग्रेस का जर्नलिस्ट था. कांग्रेस वालों ने सवाल पूछवाया था और वो आज भी होगा पत्रकार वहीं. आप पन्ना में किसी से पूछें, पता करवाइए, आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी.
आप देखिए कांग्रेस को आप कितना सपोर्ट करते हो, आपके पीछे पत्रकार लगा रहे हैं.
इस रास्ते पे कभी कांग्रेस चलती थी, कांग्रेस खत्म हो गई, अब बीजेपी खत्म हो जाएगी.
In short, there is no mission or vision of this unholy alliance. There is just an obsession to tarnish the image of Prime Minister Modi.
Our object is to fight against Bharatiya Janata Party, to fight against Narendra Modi.
In fact, let me raise a question here. Why do you think the performance of Congress improved in the latest Lok Sabha elections? No, it was not due to their party efforts, but it was due to the regional parties who were in alliance with Congress. For instance, in UP Congress, which had come down with constantly diminishing vote percentage, was able to bag 6 seats only because it was in alliance with the Samajwadi Party.
कांग्रेस और सपा का गठबंधन ऐसे है जैसे किसी अनाड़ी हाथों में कोई ट्रैक्टर दे दिया जाए और कहा जाए कि चला लो तो वह किसी के ऊपर चढ़ा देगा. ये दो लड़कों की जोड़ी तो यही है.
Similar was the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. It was only due to National Conference alliance with Congress that the party managed to win some seats there as well. Although Omar Abdullah did not trust Rahul Gandhi's campaign strategy. That's why he asked him to focus more on Jammu campaign.
I hope that after Rahul is done campaigning in 1 or 2 seats in Kashmir, he focuses in Jammu. Ultimately, what the Congress does in Kashmir is not that important. What the Congress does in Jammu is important. And unfortunately, Congress hasn't done as much in the plains of Jammu as we would expect them to do.
And the fate of Congress in Jammu Kashmir elections get repeated after the win of their alliance with JMM in Jharkhand this time. The newly elected Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren straight away refused to give the seat of Deputy CM to the alliance partner Congress. In fact, many other parties in the MBA have now started blaming their own party alliance Congress for their defeat in the recent Maharashtra Assembly elections. It was just yesterday only when Shiv Sena UBT leader Ambadas Danve blamed the Congress for being overconfident after Lok Sabha win, and also that if they had projected Uddhav Thackeray as the face of CM, then elections would have been different.
कुछ जगह उन्होंने शिवसेना और कांग्रेस को देने की जरूरत थी, लेकिन कांग्रेस तो किसी को मानने को ही तैयार नहीं थी. जैसा कांग्रेस का सीएम का भी शपथ विधि करना, ये पोजीशन में कांग्रेस बात कर रही थी. लास्ट के दिन तक सीट अलायंस पे बात करते रहे. काम प्रचार का रहता है, जनता में जाने का होता है, लेकिन हम लास्ट दिन तक सीट अलायंस पे ही बात करते रहे. कांग्रेस के लोग तो लोकसभा जीतने के बाद तो पूरे कोट और पैंट कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट लेने का इस पे चर्चा कर रहे थे. जीतने पे चर्चा नहीं हो रही थी.
It shows how Congress is losing its relevance, so much so that their own alliance partners, because of whom Congress was able to perform better in this Lok Sabha elections, the same leaders do not seem to trust the grand old party now. Congress alliance partner TMC too believes that Congress has failed. Just hear the statement of TMC leader Kalyan Banerjee, who mocked the Congress for their continuous defeat. First in Haryana elections, then in the Maharashtra elections. Kalyan Banerjee further reiterated that it should be Mamata Banerjee now who should lead the Indie bloc.
That in a India alliance, there is who is the leader? Nobody has been chosen as leader, as a face of the opposition. Now it has to be done. Now Congress has failed. That is established. Congress leaders have tried. Haryana, they have failed. Maharashtra, they have failed. It is not only it is that the Congress has lost anything only. It is all we are the Indian alliance who are there. We have lost. We repose our confidence on the Congress. Congress could not achieve the result. People of country loves Mamata Banerjee. She is having all sorts of qualities, among better qualities, better experience and qualities than whoever is the leader or opposition. Our object is to fight against Bharatiya Janata Party, to fight against Narendra Modi.
Also remember how AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal too mocked the Congress for their loss in Haryana elections, stating that one should never be overconfident. So there is one thing that comes to our mind, that जो अपने लोगों का ना हो सका वो देश का कहाँ से होगा? On what basis should people of India trust Congress now? That day won't be far when the unholy alliance of the grand old party just vanishes from the Indian political arena.